Espresso. This is a highly concentrated, intensely flavored coffee brewed by forcing pressurized hot water through finely ground coffee beans. Originating in Italy in the early 20th century, it was designed to be served quickly to hurried workers. What makes it unique is the thick golden crema on top, which is formed by the emulsification of the coffee oils under pressure. It matters because it serves as the foundational base for almost every other popular espresso-based drink on the menu. Ristretto. This is a shorter, more concentrated version of an espresso shot, made with the exact same amount of coffee grounds but extracted with half the amount of water. Originating alongside standard espresso in Italy, the name translates to restricted. It differs from a regular shot by halting the extraction process before the more bitter, acidic compounds are released into the cup. It is highly valued by coffee enthusiasts for delivering a sweeter, richer, and more intense flavor profile without the lingering bitterness. Americano. This beverage consists of a standard espresso shot diluted with hot water. It was created in Italy during World War II when American soldiers stationed there found the local espresso too strong for their taste and requested water to mimic their traditional drip coffee. The addition of hot water softens the intense flavor of the espresso while preserving its underlying rich profile. It remains incredibly popular today for those who want the distinct taste of espresso but prefer a longer, smoother drink to sip over time. Macchiato. This drink is a single or double shot of espresso topped with a small dash of foamed milk. The name comes from Italy and literally translates to stained or marked, referencing how the milk physically marks the dark espresso. It stands out because it offers a pure espresso experience with just enough milk to take the edge off the harsh acidity. It is popular among people who find a straight espresso too aggressive but feel that a larger milk-based drink dilutes the coffee flavor too much. Cappuccino. This classic beverage is built with equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and a thick layer of milk foam. Originating in Italy, its name was inspired by the Capuchin friars, whose brown robes matched the color of the mixed coffee. The key differentiator is the strict ratio and the deep, airy layer of microfoam that sits on top, often dusted with cocoa powder. It holds its place as a morning staple worldwide because it perfectly balances the robust taste of coffee with a comforting, creamy texture. Latte. This is a smooth coffee drink made with 1 part espresso and roughly 3 parts steamed milk, topped with a very thin layer of foam. Originating in Italy where it was traditionally prepared as a breakfast drink for children, it has evolved into a global phenomenon. It differs from a cappuccino by having significantly more milk and much less foam, resulting in a much milder coffee flavor. It is extremely popular because its milky sweetness makes it approachable, and it serves as the perfect canvas for flavored syrups and latte art. Flat white. This is an espresso-based drink that combines a double shot of espresso with microfoamed milk, creating a velvety texture. It originated in Australia and New Zealand in the 1980s, though the exact origin is still fiercely debated between the two countries. It is distinct from a latte because it has a higher ratio of coffee to milk and integrates the microfoam completely throughout the drink rather than letting it sit on top. It appeals to modern coffee drinkers who want a strong espresso flavor enveloped in a rich, silky mouthfeel. Mocha. This rich beverage is essentially a latte with the addition of chocolate syrup or cocoa powder. It traces its origins back to the port city of Mocha in Yemen, which was famous for trading a specific type of coffee bean that naturally possessed chocolatey flavor notes. The modern drink differs from other espresso beverages by merging the bitterness of coffee with the indulgent sweetness of chocolate. It is widely loved as a comforting dessert-style drink that bridges the gap between a traditional coffee and a hot chocolate. Cortadou. This is a small, balanced drink consisting of equal parts espresso and lightly steamed milk without any significant foam. Originating in the Basque country of Spain, the word translates to cut, signifying how the milk cuts through the acidity of the espresso. It differs from Italian drinks by using milk that is less texturized and cooler in temperature, maintaining a highly precise 1-to-1 ratio. It is highly respected in the specialty coffee scene for allowing the true flavor of the espresso roast to shine through while neutralizing its sharpest edges. Cold brew. This is a smooth, highly caffeinated coffee made by steeping coarse coffee grounds in room temperature or cold water for 12 to 24 hours. While variations have existed for centuries, notably in Japan with Kyoto-style coffee, the modern immersion method gained massive traction in the United States over the last decade. It completely bypasses the use of heat, which prevents the extraction of bitter oils and harsh acids found in hot brewed coffee. It has become a massive commercial success because it is naturally sweet, highly refreshing, and easy to mass-produce or bottle. Affogato. This is a simple Italian dessert hybrid consisting of a scoop of vanilla gelato completely drowned in a hot shot of espresso. The word translates to drowned in Italian, perfectly describing the preparation method. It is unique because it straddles the line between a beverage and a dessert, relying on the contrast between the freezing cold, sweet ice cream and the boiling hot, bitter coffee. It matters because it showcases how espresso can be used as a culinary ingredient to elevate simple flavors into an elegant, multisensory experience.